Hey guys, ePilot RC here today with another plane. It is the RJG 1.2 meter Decathlon. If you thinking, hey, haven't I seen this plane before on your channel? Well, yeah, you did. And it was one that I got rid of, and it was like one of those things where, like, as soon as I got rid of it, I regretted it. So I picked up another one while it was on sale. It was hard to beat the deal. So let's see if we can get this out of here. Well, get the box to open up. Should be able to push it out from one way. Looks like there's a little bit of tape on the box that won't come out. Okay. I'm in a new location today. Hopefully everything's showing up well enough on the video. So, as always, they've got it packaged really well. This is a split box, meaning there's parts on top and there's parts on the bottom. So, you want to make sure you get all of your parts out. And, you normally just cut the tape where the seams are. Let these little flappers flap over. Seems to be a decent way of doing it. There we go. Get all this cut. Really good about giving you foam pieces to do whatever you like with. I often use them for other things, sometimes training boxes or packaging a plane that I'm selling or whatever the case might be. Alright, so that there exposes your wing, looks like, and then it's wrapped up in this foam padding, keep it well and safe. Alright, so we can dispose of that right now. They've got foam here. Didn't really remember them doing that, but they have foam between the wing and the little connectors here that connect to your wing struts. So there's what the wing looks like. This is a very pretty airplane. I always thought it was anyways. I like watching the real one fly. So once you get that out of the way, you can, I think you have to put these back down, get them out of the way, and then you can flip the box up and then cut in between here. Try not to cut too deep. Don't want to cut into anything. Cut this away. Cut this away. Looks like I got a cut on the ends also. It's been a while since I've had this one, so I don't quite remember. Cut on both ends. And after you do that, you should be good to open it up. Once you get all that cut, there's tape on the front too, and okay, they taped it really good. They did not want it to come apart at all, did they? I think they went a little extra on the tape, but that's okay. We'll eventually get into it. Boy, I do not remember this much tape from my first one. Maybe it did, but there's tape on both up and down and horizontal both on these pieces. So make sure you get it all cut. I think these are actually extra. I think there's two sides to it. Yep, there's one side. And you got this side. Yeah, so actually the centerpiece actually does not come out. It's been too long. Anyway, there we go. And that exposes the fuselage and the rest of the goodies for it. So again, they got all this foam here to protect everything. Here's your fin. Got it nicely wrapped up. Got your little light on it. Got your lead for your light. You got to plug in before you install that. And pull out this little box here. There's like your landing gear, nice aluminum landing gear. Got your wheel pants with a pretty scheme on it. It says Goodyear. And then you got your elevator, stab. Again, wrapped up nicely in foam. I always like to, whenever you hear that crack, that was stiff. I always like to move my surfaces back and forth like that and make sure they're freed up nicely before I install them. It just helps, you know, you won't have any tension on your servos if you do that. So it's always a good idea. And then here's the plane itself, the fuse. And there she is. Already got the prop installed, but it's always a good idea to take the spinner off, check that nut, make sure they did get it tight at the factory. Yeah, she looks good, pretty as I remember. So make sure you check your box to get every piece out, because right here in the corner they have the piece for the landing gear stuck down there. And also we gotta be having a screw kit somewhere. I've not ran across it yet. It should be somewhere. So right here in this little clevis is where the screws were hiding. So there's your screw kit. You're definitely gonna need it. So alright guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing video of the Decathlon from E-Flight. Yeah, that didn't take too long. Thank you all again for watching, and as always, happy flying.